This company has a current order book constituting about 45% of the total revenues for the current year, indicating a solid pipeline for the future growth. The company also saw a share split boosting the market liquidity and is set to exceed rupees 200 crores by financial year 26. So stay tuned when we try to discover this transformative small cap player. So, hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we sift through the market buzz and try to uncover high potential small cap opportunities. I'm Gauri Malik, equity research analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and as always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. For today's lineup, we have Orient Pro Solutions Limited, Dhabria Bollywood Limited, and Dev Information Technologies Limited. First company, Orient Pro Solutions Limited, specializes in delivering innovative business solutions across transaction banking, customer experience platforms, and cybersecurity. Recently, its Singapore subsidiary acquired 100% stake in Paris based Phoenix Size SaaS for 10 million euros. It will also acquire additional equity in Lathasa Technologies, which is Arya.ai, through a share swap issuing 96,988 equity shares for 200 and 250 equity shares of Lathasa. These acquisitions are expected to boost the company's market presence by expanding the company's current offerings and are in line with the company's aim to enter into the new markets. For quarter 2 of financial year 25, the revenue for the company rose by 6.1 percentage quarter on quarter to rupees 278 crores, and the EBITDA margin stood at 20 percentage. Second company, Dhabria Bollywood Limited, is a manufacturer and supplier of UPVC profiles for doors, windows, and modular furniture. The company secured two significant orders, collectively worth rupees 9.7 crores, accounting for 16% of the quarter to financial year 25 revenue. This supports the management guidance of achieving top line growth of 25% year on year over the next 4 years. Coming to the financials for Dhabria, the revenues for financial year 24 grew by 24% year on year to rupees 212 crores, with the EBITDA margins improving by 410 basis points to 14.6 percentage. Looking ahead, the company's plans to scale its operations of soft fit panels at its Bangalore facility, aiming to capture a significant share of 300 crore market. Additionally, its modular furniture segment is positioned to sustain the strong growth of 32%, driving future revenue expansion. The third company, Dev Information Technology Limited, a full spectrum IT services provider, recently launched a new service line which is advanced cybersecurity solutions with a projected revenue target of 170 to 180 crores for financial year 25 revenues. The company also approved a share split from a face value of rupees 5 to rupees 2, which is enhancing the market liquidity for the company. For quarter 2 of financial year 25, the revenue stood at 35.9 crores, which is up by 1.4% quarter on quarter, while the net profit margins improved significantly by 1210 basis points to 22.6 percentage. The management aims to build an AI center of excellence and expand into the North American markets, highlighting its plans for future growth and meeting its target of revenue and PAT exceeding 200 crores and 20 crores respectively for financial year 26. Now, reviewing the previous picks. First, we had MTAR Technologies Limited, covered at 1670, now at 1685, which is up by 0.9 percentage. Second, KPI Green Energy Limited, covered at 795.1, now at 802.7, which is up by 1 percentage. Thirdly, we had Asian Energy Services Limited, covered at 395.1, now at 381.4, which is down by 3.5 percentage. Gensol Engineering Limited, covered at 775.5, now at 748.8, which is down by 3.4 percentage. And lastly, Oriana Power Limited, covered at 2620.1, now at 2492, which is down by 4.8 percentage. So, summary of the recent filings that we covered today. First, Orient Pro Solutions Limited, which acquired 100% stake in Paris-based Phoenix SAS and additional stake in Lithasa Technologies to strengthen its AI capabilities. Dhabria Bollywood Limited secured rupees 9.7 crores work orders for modular furniture and UPVC profiles. And lastly, we covered Dev Information Technologies Limited, launched advanced cybersecurity solutions and announced a share split. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. If you missed out on any important detail, please refer to the PDF attached in the description. Thank you.